Guys, this is a very old saw. I don't know, 20 years I think. I never used it before. Broken, but I'm gonna fix it. Just a few bolts and nuts. You can see this is not very sharp. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do with it now to sharpen it. I haven't used it at all, to be honest. I just got it out of an old rack where I usually store it. So yeah, you can see it's very old. But I'm just gonna fix it. This is a wood saw. I think I use it in school when I study woodworking. That is in almost in at H matric. Anyway, I'm gonna fix it and then I'm gonna sharpen it with my Shogun, and then I see how good it is. I just fix it with two bolts and nuts, but you can see this is not very sharp, and after all these years this is how it looks when I cut into the wood. So yeah, it takes a long time to do that. So we're gonna sharpen it now with Shogun, and we're gonna see. I'm gonna take it slowly. Don't take too hasty. The aim is to get it sharpened. I see already some improvement. Sharp if I touch it. So a couple of strokes with the Shogun it does do, but still have to go on. Yeah. Definitely an improvement. You've seen it's really sharp, and I've already done a test there. Very much so improvement on that. That was the first two cuts before I sharpen it. This is how it is right now. Nice. I'm gonna go again at it, make it a little bit more sharper, but I think the Shogun does work on this saw.